Day 8 of my 30-day guru challenge, where I test what the gurus say about growing a digital product business. We just finished week 1, and today I am getting into something that a lot of people that is starting out ask me about all the time. If you ever thought about starting a YouTube channel and you did not want to show your face, then today is for you. The gurus say that faceless AI content is the new way to build an audience online without ever appearing on camera. But does it actually work for someone who's selling digital products? Today, I am breaking down everything I have learned about faceless YouTube, so you can decide if this is right for you. So here's what faceless YouTube actually means. Instead of showing your face on camera, you can use an AI avatar, or you can use a clone avatar. So it will look like you, but it will not be you. It'll be an AI version of you. Or you can use an AI avatar of anybody or anything. They have so many AI avatars to choose from, and you could just choose which one you want if you do not want to use the clone version of yourself. You will also use screen recordings or voiceovers to deliver your content. Now, here is my honest breakdown. The views can come with faceless content, but when you are selling digital products, people tend to buy from people that they trust. And trust can build faster when someone could see your face. They could see your emotion. They could see your personality and your reactions. Here is what I've seen consistently from creators in the digital product space. The faceless channels that actually converts to sales are usually tutorials or niche content channels, where the information is the product, not the personality. If you are selling templates, guides, kits, courses, or anything like that, and you want people to feel connected to you, to buy from you specifically, showing your face will almost always give you a faster path to your first sale. Now, that does not mean faceless would never work. If you truly just don't want to show your face at all, you can definitely show it faceless. It would just take more time to build that trust when someone can't see your actual face. But it's definitely possible because it's a lot of faceless channel that is definitely blowing up and is crushing it, making sales and everything. But my personal experience, when you show your face, it gives that connection towards people. Like, people could see you, they could see your personality, they just feel connected to you. They feel like we're here, we're besties. You know what I'm saying? So that's why showing your face is better than faceless, but that does not mean faceless does not work. You just need to understand what you are trading. You basically trading more privacy because you don't want to show your face in exchange for slower trust building. Here is what I recommend for people that is starting out. If you are fine with showing your face, then definitely show your face. It will help you out so much. You will build your brand and you will build a real audience. Even after you build your brand and you build your audience and you got your first sale and you still feel like, I showed my face, but now I don't want to show my face anymore, I want to go faceless, then that's when I recommend you to test faceless, because now you have a warm audience. So you can convert over from showing your face to faceless. Now, if you're the person like, okay, no, I don't want to show my face at all. When I show up on camera, I don't want no one to see me. I just don't want to show my face. I don't feel comfortable showing my face. I just don't want to do all that. Or I just don't have time to show up like that. Then definitely go all in with faceless. Just put more edits involved with it, do more tutorials, and still add your personality as much as you can. If you really don't want to show your face, if you can at least use your voice, that would be great too. So people could connect with you somehow. They could get your energy somehow. If you do not want to show your face, at least try to use your voice. And now if you don't want to do neither, it still will work. Just use a voiceover and use an AI avatar. And then I would recommend also is to use a clone AI avatar other than a regular AI avatar. So if you don't want to show your face, at least show a clone of yourself. See what I'm saying? And use your voiceover. So people can still connect to you somehow. And that's what I would recommend. It definitely still will work even if you don't want to use your voice or don't want to use your clone, you can still use an AI avatar. They have a lot to choose from. And you could just pick another person's voice, go on 11 Labs. They have a lot of voices, and that will be a voiceover. And it still will work, okay? It just be slower, okay? Y'all follow me? Y'all follow me? So if you can show your face, that's number one, show your face. It will do you so much justice, show your face. If you like, girl, I don't want to show my face, then we're going to go to option 2, which is going to be, you're going to choose, are you okay doing a clone of your face? Or are you okay to do a voiceover? And if you could choose one of them, that's the route you go. If neither one of them work, then you're going to go to the last route, which is you're going to choose an AI avatar and you're going to choose a voice on 11 Lab and use a voiceover, okay? And that's your options. Whether you want to do faceless content or show your face, selling digital products online is still one of the best ways to make money with a low startup cost. My digital product starter kit shows you how to start from scratch. If you are interested, the link will be in the description below and in the pinned comment. So go check that out if you are interested. Tomorrow, I am testing whether Pinterest can actually send real free traffic to my digital product funnel in 2026. Most people sleep on this platform completely. Come back tomorrow to see the gurus was right about it. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you do not miss any uploads. We are uploading every day, okay? And you don't want to miss any information at all. Comment down below what you want to see, what you want to learn, any tips, anything.